In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Sheets to efficiently autofill data based on another field. Whether you're new to Google Sheets or looking to sharpen your skills, this guide is just what you need to streamline your workflow. To begin, you'll need to log into Google Sheets using your Google account. If you're not already signed in, head over to the Google Sheets homepage and enter your credentials. Once you're in, you're greeted with your dashboard. Here, you're given the option to create a new blank spreadsheet or access an existing one. If you're starting fresh, click on the blank option to open a new spreadsheet. Alternatively, select a file from your existing documents. Now, to make use of the powerful autofill feature, pinpoint the cell you want to populate with data automatically. Let's say you're working with a list and you want one column to reflect data based on another. Click on the specific cell where you'd like the autofill to begin. Once selected, you need to set this cell equal to the one you're basing it on. This means simply typing an equal sign in the chosen cell, then clicking on the reference cell you want it to mirror. Press Enter to confirm your action. With your original cell set according to the reference cell, let's move on to the autofill magic. You'll notice a small blue square, often referred to as the fill handle, at the bottom right corner of the cell you've just edited. Bring your cursor over this dot and watch as it turns into a small black cross. Now, hold down the mouse button and drag it down through the cells you wish to fill. You'll see a gray box highlighting the area that will be autofilled, which should match the original cell's logic. Release the mouse button and voila! The selected cells automatically populate, saving you a significant amount of time compared to manually inputting data. This is especially handy for large data sets where consistency is key. Remember, autofill works beyond simple cell references and can incorporate complex formulas or sequential data, enhancing the capabilities of your spreadsheets even further. Autofill can significantly increase your productivity, especially if you're dealing with repetitive, predictable patterns. However, always double-check your dynamic data sets, particularly if other users have edit access, to ensure there are no accidental changes. Google Sheets is robust, and playing around with this feature will undoubtedly open doors to even more efficient data management. Thanks for tuning in, and happy spreadsheet.